This is another question. The question is 5 raised to power s raised to power 1 all over 2 plus 5 raised to power s plus 1 over 2 equal to 80 raised to power s raised to power half. We are asked to find the value of s. How do we solve this? It is very simple because in indices, when something has power of half, like s raised to power 2, it can be also be written as this will be square root of what? S. In the first place, we can write 5 raised to power s. That will be 5 raised to power root s plus 5 raised to power root what? S equal to 80 raised to power root x. In indices, when we have the same thing like this, we can say it is what is common here. 5 raised to power root s is common. It means we have factored this out. It remains 1 plus what? 1 equal to 80. Now, this 80 can also be written in 16 times what? 5. That's 5 times 6, 30. 5 times 1. Yes, it can be written in 16 times what? 5 raised to power what? Root x. This will become 2 5 root s equal to, now 16 can also be written in 16 raised root s multiplied by what? 5 root x, since they have the same power. As we can see now, we have, if you can divide 5 raised 5 raised to power root s, 5 root s, divide 5 root s by what? When we divide this by both sides, we are having 2 into 5 root s divided by 5 root s equal to 16 root s multiplied by 5 root s divided by what? 5 root s. This will cancel it. This will also cancel this. What we have it now is 16 root s equal to what? 2. Now, according to the law of indices, we can equate the what? The base. When we equate the base, this will become 4 raised to power what? 2 root what? S equal to, now you may know, since this is not having the same base, we can use 2. Let us use base 2. This will become, here is my cleaner. This will become 2 in 16. That's 2 times 2. 4 times, that's 2 raised to power what? 4 equal to, now remember, this one we have invisible what? 1. The base are now equal. We can equate the power now. We are left with 4 root s equal to 1. When we have 4 root s equal to 1, you can divide both sides by what? By 4. This will become 4 root s divided by 4 equal to 1 all over 4. This will cancel this. You are left with root s equal to what? 1 all over 4. Now let us square both sides. This will become square both sides. If you square both sides now, you will we will have root s square equal to 1 all over 4 square. This will cancel this. The value of s will be 1 all over 4 times 4. 4 raised to power s means what? 4 times 1. And 1 raised to power is 1 times 1. Our s will be 1 all over 16. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. God bless you.